Hello, welcome everyone to live trading today. Hello, Gaston. How are you doing? Today is the 26th of August 2026. That is odd. Yes, today is the 26th of 2026. Literally 2626. Yeah, so today we do have some high impact news. If you haven't already, I suggest you go and cast your vote. You literally have I'll give you guys probably like 9 minutes before I end the poll for the prediction. So make sure you send out your prediction vote in the Discord channel for a chance for you to win OFP account. Great to hear that you're doing quite well, Gaston. It is a nice Wednesday, mid of the week. We are literally 2 days before the weekend, and we have like literally 2 days of trading left for the week. And then also next week, you only have one day, which should actually close out the month, actually. Yeah. So before we begin, don't forget, guys, we do have a promo running. First OFP, if you're a first time OFP user, and you get 40% off. Then if you've been with us for a while, you can use the promo code OFP30, which gets you 30% off. Right, so that is that. And also, disclaimer, this is not financial advice and is intended for educational purposes only. The trades I take here today are purely illustrative and should not be considered trading signals or recommendations. I'm simply sharing my thought process and approach to give you guys some insight, especially if you're a struggling trader or if you're looking for a different perspective. So keep this in mind as I go through my trades. And remember, guys, these are not signals, these are just educational examples of how I approach the market. Right. So let's start off today. So today we had the Aussie construction work done and the monthly CPI indicator. It was just actually Aussie CPI. I don't know why they call it the monthly CPI indicator. And this was actually red flag news on Forex Factory, but we're not counting this one because it wasn't red flag news on investing.com. OFP follows investing.com, not Forex Factory. So that's the thing. So we're not counting this as part of the prediction. But we do have, of course, core PC price. It seems like this will actually move the market today, and also GDP quarter and quarter, and the durable goods. Then later we have the crude oil inventories, but we're not counting this, unfortunately. What else do we have? Apart from that, we have German Buba Bao speaking, and also FOMC member Barking speaking later today, and also the 2 year and 5 year note auction that might rump the market a little bit, but not so much. Only the 10 year and 30 year are the ones which I've noticed actually cause some serious volatility in the market, and you should be worried about that. But yeah, 11 minutes till the red flag high impact news. So you literally have 6 minutes to cast your vote, guys. So let's get right into the trading. So what do we have here? So apparently my New Zealand dollar trade did not currently work out well. Where is that? I hope I managed to locate it before. Yeah, though it's currently kind of going up right now, but our stop loss was literally right here. Oh, was it? Mm, hold up. We had this. Hold up. One moment, guys. Let me double check this because I don't think that was actually my stop loss area. Let me just double check this. Okay, this is weird. Just give me a moment, guys. I think I might have made an error mistake with the trade I currently have on. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let's see here. So this week started on August 24th, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we supposed to actually be having sell positions on this, not buy positions. So I kind of messed up on this. So yeah, I should be closing this out soon. Am I correct on this? Yeah, we're supposed to actually be having. Oh, yes. Yes, we do have sell positions, but my take profit was somewhere here. But I um did not put the take profit, unfortunately. Yeah, my bad. So we had to actually lock in this profit, but I did not. But hopefully it does do so, like hit the take profit area. Yeah. So unfortunately that's what I didn't do. And yeah, let's see. Mm, okay. So yeah, we are still in this trade. Our take profit area just did not get hit. We actually had to get out here, but it just wixed it, and I didn't put my take profit on there. But yeah, we started live at $7. My bad. Sorry about that delay. Yes, about predictor. I think I have 3 votes. The leaderboard only shows 2. Please check it for me. Okay, I will double check that, Gaston. And again, for the points, note you have to actually have voted correctly, not just voting. Just voting does not add you to the does not add to your points. You supposed to vote correctly. So I would check that. I'll recheck that, and I'll fix whatever errors are there. So yeah, New Zealand dollar, we had to have a take profit hit. Let's actually see the trades of today. What got hit today? Mm, this was today. Yeah, this was today. There was a buy. Take profit was hit. Wait a minute. So we actually got taken out in profit on New Zealand dollar, but that was only on one trade. Yes, it was only on one trade. Now I see it. So apparently this had to be like a $60 trade profit. So our take profit was also hit on Euro Aussie. That was today. I thought that was yesterday. Yeah, so all of these were hit today. USD CAD, New Zealand dollar, and USD Swiss were hit today. So all good on that. So Aussie CAD, I believe we're not in this trade, or are we? Because if we are, yeah, Aussie CAD, we're supposed to close out this trade because it has really gone against us. So I'll be closing this out. So Aussie CAD is no longer on the books. So we took an L on that, about $12. Still fine. It was a nice run. That's all I can say. It was a nice run on Aussie CAD. We'll move over to the next one and see how that goes. So Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, we're currently in a sell, coming to the downside right here. Right now it's still up. We used to be in buys all the way from this bottom here. We used to be in buys coming all the way up, but now we're in sells. So we have changed our direction because I think this has reached the top. Same thing as I did on Bitcoin. Yeah, then let's look at Euro Yen. Euro Yen seems to be doing slightly okay, but still in a consolidation, as we can see. Oh, and I need to end the poll now on Discord for the prediction. So let's do that before people actually vote what was correct, because that would be crazy. My Discord doesn't want to open. All right, it's now open. I would have panicked there because it would have taken me a while probably to end it if I had to start using other means. So I am ending the polls now. Thank you all for voting. So the first one, you guys are expecting better than expected for the core PCE index year on year. Same with the core PC index month on month. You are expecting better than expected. So we'll see about that. Then the US GDP, you're also expecting better than expected. Will it be better than expected? If it will be better, if all of this will be better than expected, then the market will like probably have some dollar strength. And US durable goods, you guys think is gonna be as expected. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's get back to the charts. I've ended the poll right now. So we'll wait on those results and I'll post them. So Euro Yen, still the consolidation. Pound CAD, we actually entered another sell trade on this one. Um, Pound Swiss A, we're looking to go all the way up here to make a new high. We kind of dipped. We missed our opportunity to buy, so we ended up buying late. It's better say late than never. That is literally my motto on Pound Swiss A. So that's that. New Zealand dollar. We're now just waiting for this to actually make another new low right here to take us out in profit. Then USD CAD, we made a new high. So we'll be looking for this to pull back slightly, maybe probably back into this area again. Then we'll be looking to buy again. The dollar Swissy, same scenario. We are looking for it to come a bit further down, probably into this area again. Then we'll be looking to buy to the upside. Euro New Zealand, we are now free of Euro Aussies push to the downside. So maybe Euro New Zealand may actually push to the upside and finally take us out in profit. We're waiting on that. Then Euro New Zealand, right now we're just watching this market. We might actually be buying this again. Instead of selling, we might be buying Euro Aussie. And so far, we're halfway to 1% here. So everything is looking good. Like I said, I entered a few positions. The few positions hit take profit. These are the loss trades. We're still up though. We're still up for the day. $135 for the day, which is quite good. Yeah, I didn't expect these to hit take profit real quickly. Gold as well. We did lock in the profits there. We also paid some heavy swaps and commission there. But overall, the net profit is quite good. So that's that. Then let's look at Bitcoin because I'm actually in a trade for Bitcoin, like I showed yesterday. So let us jump into here. So we're actually in $1 profit on Bitcoin. So I guess you guys love to see it when I'm in some of these odd trades. And yeah, there we go from $1 to $4 in profit on Bitcoin. So we'll see how this goes. Overall, our take profit is at 50,000. So that is what we are waiting for. We're waiting for the market to reach 50,000, which should give us a profit of $287.67. And this trade, of course, does have some swap as well. So either direction, whether I'm a buyer or a seller, I'm still paying that swap. US 30. Let's look at US 30. How is it going? US 30 is still strong, but this is what I was talking about yesterday. I was talking about this candle being bullish, that in order for us to probably go past this, the second candle also needs to be bullish. But right now, we have one huge red candle here, and price is kind of struggling. Price is currently struggling at this level of resistance. So either we're going to have a double top here, or this is going to drop immediately down, or if this move to the upside is actually really, really strong, of this volume that we have been pushing to the upside of 4 green candles and 1 red candle, if it's strong enough, and yeah, I think the US PC numbers have come out, so this might actually drop. But if the numbers are actually not as good, then maybe this will rise and we might actually go to the next resistance level here. Then let's look at pound dollar. Pound dollar is finally kind of dropping. Some dollar strength in there. We do have this consolidation though. We've been consolidating for a bit, so this might actually be the break of that consolidation, and then we could be seeing ourselves probably at 136,700 or even 135,190 on pound dollar. Then let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, we're in a downward consolidation, I would say, but right now we're more in this consolidation than ever before. We might actually be touching 1.16540. So that is a possibility for today as well, especially maybe, just maybe, if the numbers are really good. So let's see what this core PC did. Oh my gosh. So everything is as expected. Core PC is as expected. The core PC index month on month also is as expected. The GDP quarter to quarter is also as expected. And then the durable goods is better than expected. So, yeah, those who voted as expected been added to their points for the core PC and GDP, but for the durable goods, those who voted for better than expected, yeah, you are also getting points on this one. So that's that. Let's finally look at gold. So gold might actually even be pushing strongly down here. For today, we might actually be seeing 4,600 maybe today, making a new low on that. And then maybe further, we could be touching the 4,400 area. So maybe 4,450 could be our ultimate target by the end of the week, but we shall see. Uh, I guess that's all. Unless there's any other pairs you guys would like us to look at. And don't forget, of course, we do have more news coming tomorrow as well. We have initial jobless claims tomorrow. And lastly, we're going to have the Chicago PMI. So that will be the last one for you guys to be voted in. And what's more, Gaston, I will check your votes and see if you really have three or the actual two. And I will personally message you on Discord and let you know. Apart from that, thank you guys for joining me today. And yes, Gaston, it seems like the market hasn't moved from that news because it's as expected. Like that means the move already happened. But overall, it's dollar strength from here on. Like for the next few hours, it's dollar strength, probably a bit slow and sluggish, but it's dollar strength from here on since the numbers came out good at least. Yeah, don't forget, we still have the promos running. First OFP, if you're a first time user, you get 40% off. If you've been with us for a while, OFP 30, where you get 30% off. Apart from that, guys, thank you for joining me today. Join me also tomorrow as we go through the next set of news and see how the market behaves and so on. And hopefully, I'll be in some other new trades that you guys can see, monitor, and actually make your assumptions on. Like I say, these are not signals. This is how I just approach the market. And the market did me really well today with a great profit. You enjoy the rest of your day, wherever you are, it's morning, evening, or afternoon. And apart from that, happy trading.